Hello and welcome to this new video on how to set up TikTok Studio background. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the search bar. Just click on the search bar after that and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard. And the TikTok interface will be opened, and in the left hand side as you look, there is a live option. Just click on the live and the live section will be opened. So in order for you to go live, you just need at least of 1,000 followers, and when you have crossed the 1,000 followers, then you will be able to go live and you will be able to access the TikTok Studio. And when you have got the access of TikTok Studio, you can just go into the TikTok Studio and follow through the instruction of TikTok, and you will be able to set up the TikTok Studio. They will provide you firstly a tutorial in order to set up a TikTok Studio, and you can also set up TikTok Studio background just by following the tutorial and following the instructions provided to you by TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.